So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I put on my bling really quick. So the first thing I do is go in with a metallic color that matches the stones that I'm using. Just in case anything peeks through, you have a nice color that kind of matches so it's not too noticeable. And then I go in with the Sticky Icky Bling Gel. And then before you put the stones on and before you cure, you're gonna put on the no wipe top coat just for an extra shine and extra adhesion. And when you're putting on your top coat, you just wanna lightly float over the bling gel so you don't move the product around or just completely remove it altogether, because that would just defeat the whole purpose. And then I'm just cleaning up my sides so I don't lose the shape of the nail. And I do this a lot throughout this whole process. And before you cure, you're just gonna go in and add your bling. And when I'm doing full bling nails, I like to use a lot of different size stones. So I'm just using all the stones that are in the bling kit number 2. And then there's about 3 different size circle stones that are in the bling kit number 1 that I wanted to use. So, you know, variety. And then I'm just cleaning up the sides just to keep it nice and clean and tight, because I want my stones to be as close to each other as possible. So before I cure it, I like to go ahead and clean up the sides so I don't lose the shape of the nail. And you're just gonna pop that in the lamp. And then once it's out of the lamp, I just wipe it down with some alcohol and then, ooh. Yeah, them stones ain't going nowhere. Now, if you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you need a more detailed version, please let me know by commenting down below. But everything that I used in this video can be found on my website, linked in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.